Hello guys, welcome back to Learn Max. In this series of video, I'll be showing you how to be more professional. And by professional, I mean faster and better and work in an effective way. In this in this series of video, I'll teach you with an example of bedroom scene. In this particular video of this series, I'll show you how to create the structure of a room faster and better in an effective way. And this way is very helpful. This concept I will be using for to create the structure is very helpful. You can use the concept to create any structure of any type of room unless it has a lot of curves, and rooms usually don't have any curves. For any scene you will need its planning. Okay, before creating its 3D model you first have to create its drawing file in AutoCAD. You have to plan the scene in AutoCAD, or you can use AutoCAD. I prefer AutoCAD. If you don't know how to create how to plan a scene in AutoCAD, notify me in the comments. I'll show you in the later in another video. Now let's start. First you have to import the file, the drawing file, the planning file actually. After you have imported the drawing file from AutoCAD, you will create a, without wasting any second, you will create a box. Actually I have to clear this one. You will create the box from here to there. Actually you will create the box from inside of the walls to another corner of the wall, uh, to this to the inside of the wall actually. uh, Now let me clear this. You have this wall, you see this wall over here. This is the wall, this is the window, this is the window, and these are the wall, this is the wall, and this is the door. You are gonna create the box inside the walls using two inside corners, any two inside corners, these two or these two. You can't use these two adjacent corners. Okay, now using snap, create the box. Now give it a height. For this scene I want to give it a height of 9 feet. This is standard height of any room. Now convert it to editable poly. Now select the element button and select the whole box. Now flip all the faces of the box. This will flip all the faces of the box. And while selecting the box, go to the display tab and check this back face skull option. After you have done this, you can already see that you can actually see through the walls or the faces. This is very helpful when you'll be modeling the interiors. Now when you have done this option, check this option, we are ready to make the window and doors. For window and doors we will create boxes using snap. Create the window, give it a height, sorry, using snap, create the window, give it a height, appropriate height. I'm using 10 feet, and again For the door, I'm giving a height of 10 feet. Now, while selecting the box, go to compound objects and select Booleans to create a hole on these faces. Start picking. Okay, that's it. Now you can see a window like structure and a door like structure has been produced in our scene, and convert it to editable poly. And now select this and I'll keep the door for the later. You see the window is almost is ready. Window is ready, and the door is almost ready. The structure of the door, actually the hole in the wall. Now for the ceiling, delete the top face of the box and select the border, top border over this border, and lower it down to the false ceiling level. For the false ceiling level, I'll use 8 feet. Now this will be my false ceiling level, false ceiling height. Now extrude it. For the design, 0, keep it 0, don't give it any amount. This one, extrude it 2.5 feet. I'm giving a very simple design. Now increase the height. First you will see this value, z-axis value 96. Now increase the height to 4 inches. That means 100. Sorry, I have to show you something. Sorry, I have to show you something. That is, when you have extrude the border, you will move it up, not like this. You will move it up while tapping the shift key, like this. Okay, when you'll move it up while tapping the shift key, you will see this. It will actually extend the border. Now 100, give it a value of 100. Now again extrude it, but this time I'll extrude minus. Now you can see the structure, and again now extrude it 4. You can see why have I extruded. Now again go to top view. Actually you can create the whole ceiling in the top view only. It's very helpful. During this one, actually I'm creating a design of ceiling. You'll see the design, but you must follow the steps. You see, learn this concept, what I'm doing. I'm actually extruding the borders. Now again extruding. This will be the hole in the ceiling, and again extrude about -4. Okay, now the last step of creating ceiling, is to give this cap. Guys, if you think how you can put a pillar in a room, use that concept of probillion. Make a box of the size of the pillar and probillion the box. That's it. So guys, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Guys, thumbs up if you like this video, and please let me know what you think about this video in the comment box, and please subscribe for the next video, and which will ultimately help me. Thank you guys.